So this is the third lesson in topic 10. Multiply a fraction by a whole number. Use samples. What we will do today, we will solve questions like question 3 and 4 here. Multiply 8 by 1/2. And when we can do this, we can also solve questions like these questions. Question 5, we need to write and solve a multiplication equation. So my heroes, let's start first with this page. What page is this? Great. Great. 556. Thank you. Okay. Abdulaziz Maher. Abdulaziz Maher. Okay, please, my hero, read it for us. Oh, great. So you said the answer also. Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. Good work. So, my heroes, what we need to do here is finding 2 times 3/4. So let's move down to see how we can do this. And as you can see here, we have 2 ways. In the first way, we can use the properties. And the property that we will use here is associative property. Okay, let's go through this step by step. The first step, we will write 3/4 as 3 times the unit fraction 1/4. Since 3/4 is 3 copies of 1/4, or simply 3 times 1/4. Then, in the next step, we can use associative property. Associative property of multiplication, when we multiply 3 numbers, 2, 3, and 1/4, we can change the place of the brackets, the parentheses, and the place of the parentheses determines which one we start with. So we need to start by multiplying the 2 by the 3. That's why we have them in one bracket first, then 1/4. Of course, 2 times 3 equals 6. We will multiply 6 by 1/4. We multiply the whole number and the numerator. So we multiply the 6 by the 1. It will be 6/4. And now we have the answer, 6/4. We need to write it as a mixed number. To write it as a mixed number, we use long division, as we said before. We will divide 6 by 4. And 6 divided 4 equals 1. And 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So now we can use this to write the mixed number. How? The one in the top here, this is the whole number. The quotient is the whole, and the remainder is the numerator. And the denominator, keep it. So here, keep the denominator. Okay, let's write this down better. So we keep the 4. Okay, so we have whole 1, 2 numerator, 4 denominator. So it's 1 and 2 fourths. And now let's move to the second way. The second way is directly multiplying the whole number and the numerator. So we multiply the whole number and the numerator. We will get the same answer, and we can convert it to a mixed number the same way. So the answer here is 1 and 2 fourths. Okay, now my heroes, let's move down. We have a question down here, and علي الغفلي. علي الغفلي.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll read the question for us.
Teacher. Use property of fractions to calculate 3 multiply 3 sixths. Show your work.
So let's start first by writing it.
Teacher, our sound is lagging.
Okay. Ali,
Yes.
can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay, so my sound is not lagging?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Okay, so we will use the properties.
Yes.
So let's write first 3 sixths. Oh, the properties like this one. Like this one. Do you remember? The first way, not the second. So
Yes.
we will write 3 times and make the 3 sixths. 3 times what? What is the unit fraction? 1/6.
1/6.
Okay. Oh, sorry. And now we need to multiply, of course, the 3 by the 3, and we will put them in the same bracket. Then 1/6. This is associative property.
Yes. Teacher, can you repeat what you said? It's unnecessary. Sorry, I missed it.
Okay, of course, Muhammad. Okay. So we start first, my heroes, by writing 3 sixths as a number of a multiple of the unit fraction 1/6. Then in the second step we use associative property to multiply 3 by 3. So we change the place of the brackets. And back to Ali. 3 times 3 equals?
3 times 3 equal 9.
So 9 times 1/6.
There's 1/6 equal the same.
Equals what?
9 sixths.
9 sixths. Okay. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction means that the numerator is more than the denominator. Yes, 9 is more than 6. So we need to write it as a mixed number. Let's divide 9 by 6. 9 divided 6 equals
Equal cannot divide that.
Of course we can. 9 is more than 6.
Yes.
6 times what number gives less than 9?
1. 6.
Yes, it's 1. So 1 times 6.
Equal 6.
Subtract to get the remainder.
3.
And now, where is the whole number?
The whole number 3.
No.
1.
The quotient is the whole, and the remainder is the numerator. And of course, we keep the denominator. Okay, so it will be, again, what is the whole number, what is the numerator, and what is the denominator? What is the whole number? Yes, 1. Numerator.
3.
And the denominator?
6.
Yes, thank you, my hero. Great work. And my heroes, you have 1 minute to finish writing quickly. I like to write a star question here.
Sir, I didn't finish.
Okay, you have 1 minute to finish. Mic's off.
I finished.
Mic's off. I will write a star question here about what we have here. 1 and 3 sectors. Is this the lowest term, or the reduced form, or the simplest form? And if yes, why? And if no, also why? I want the reason.
Yes.
Muhammad, do not say the answer, just say your name. Okay, I have Muhammad, you repeat your name. Okay, who else? Yes, you said it. Yes. So let's start with Muhammad Shaban. What is your answer, yes or no, and why? Reason?
Yes.
Why?
Because when we multiply 3 whole 3 and multiply 3/6, it's whole 1 and it's whole 1. So we need to find the simplest form.
This is the simplest form. You say yes. And you say because. Okay, wait. Muhammad, you have noise around you, but anyways, you say that we can. I don't understand why. Tell me the reason again. I don't get it, Muhammad. So let's see Nether. Oh, excellent. I like this answer. No, of course. Because we can divide excellent by 3. So let's do it. I will erase this, and let's divide this one by 3 and this one also by 3. Okay. So the whole one, what should I do? As it is, right?
Yeah.
And continue.
3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 6 divided by 3 equals.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. So This is the simplest form. Thank you, Nader. Great work, my hero. Okay, my heroes, write this and also write the star question.
Okay. Teacher, I finished.
Okay, Abdullah. Okay, now, is there anyone writing?
No, I finished writing.
Okay.
B, Mr.
Ahmed, 30 seconds.
Teacher, I sent it in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Salman?
Yes.
Thank you, Salman. Yes, Ali, do you want to say something?
No.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes? Who's this?
yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I do this.
Oh, okay, great.
No.
You know how to do this. Great. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next page. And we will go directly to question number 3. Okay. Abdullah Al-Qadi,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead. Question number 3.
8 multiply 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm.
4
Again?
4 and 2.
Why 4?
Because we get 4 and
My hero, follow the steps. Multiply the 8 by the numerator or the denominator? No, the numerator. What about the denominator? Keep it. Okay, do it. Okay, 8 multiplied by 1 equals.
8.
And what about the denominator? Keep.
We put it, keep it, and
Okay,
put it out.
now 8 halves. This is improper fraction because 8 is more than 2. So we need to use long division. 8 divided 2 equals. Okay, 4 times 2 equals 8. When we subtract,
Yes.
the remainder will be.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we want to write it as a mixed number, the mixed number will be what whole? 4 whole. And the fraction? 0 halves. Oh, 0 halves. So we don't need to write it. We can erase it. So let's erase it. And the answer is, the final answer is the whole number 4. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. My heroes, any questions? Any problems? Okay, let's move to the next one. Malik Tamer,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead.
Okay. 35 13 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3 equal 9. 9, 3 times 1 equals 3. 39 over 4.
Excellent. This is improper fraction.
Yes.
So we need to write it as a mixed number. Let's do the division.
Yes. Okay. 39. Nothing is.
Okay, we need less than 39.
Oh, 39 times 39 divide 1 equal 39.
39 divide 4. 4 times what number gives less than 39?
Teacher, 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 4 times 9.
Great, so 9. Let's subtract. The remainder is
Subtract, okay. Remainder is
9 minus 6.
yes, 9 minus 6 equal 9 minus 6 equal 8, 7, 6, 4, 3.
And
9
3 minus 3.
and 6, 3, 0. So it is 3.
Okay, now let's write the answer. What is the whole number and what is the fraction? The whole number is the quotient.
The whole number is 3.
No, the 3 is the remainder. I said the quotient.
9.
My heroes, do not use your mics without permission. So, my hero,
Yes.
it is the 9.
9.
The 9 is the whole. And the 3 here is, remember, this is the whole, and this is
The 9.
the numerator. So the numerator is 3, and the denominator, keep it. So I should write here
Keep.
4.
Keep.
So
4.
the final answer is 9 and 3/4. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Thank you, Malik. My heroes, any questions? Please write quickly and write the division also. Write the division.
You want me to put in the chat?
Okay. Thank you. Yes, you can. Thank you, Salman. Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you the link of the game. Stop sharing and send to you the link of the game. And now let's start solving. And the first question, Abdulaziz Abbad. Abdulaziz Abbad,
Yes, teacher.
go ahead.
Okay. 8 multiplied by 2.
Yes.
Wait. 16.
So the correct choice is 16 sectors. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Oh. Okay, let's move to the next one. Danielle. 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 Oh, Mahdi, you will get a note. You know that I'm calling the names. Ali Zakaria.
I am Daniel, Miss. I am here.
Oh, okay, Danielle.
I am Ali Zakaria.
Okay, Ali, wait. Danielle first. Danielle, let's do this step by step. Half times 6. Go ahead.
Half times 6. 6 multiply 1 equals 6. 6 to 6.
6 halves, my hero. 6 halves, not 2/3.
6 halves.
Okay. And now,
We will have a division.
okay. 6 divided 2 equals?
6 divided 3.
Okay, so 3 times 2 equals 6. Subtract 0. So we don't have fraction, just the whole number.
Rest is 3.
The answer is 3. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay. I you know that I'm calling the names, Yusuf. Please do not use your mic without permission. Okay, my heroes, any problems about this question?
No, teacher, but can I?
No, teacher.
I'm someone who's been you never. 3 days you didn't pick me.
My heroes, you know that I'm calling the names. You don't need to say so. Okay? I have 31 in this class. I have 31 students in this class. So not all of you cannot all of you, the 31, all of them answer in one session. And Yusuf, I chose you yesterday. You said that I didn't choose you. And this is not correct. Adam?
Teacher, there's 25 someone in the class.
Mic's off. Mic's off. Mic's off. I'm not listening. Adam? Adam? Ahmed Sirhid? Ahmed Sirhid? Ahmed Sirhid? Okay, Ahmed. Ethan went to physical education class 10 times this year. He spent 3/5 of those classes outside. How many of Ethan's physical education classes this year were held outside? What should we do? Multiply, of course. So let's multiply 10 times. Okay. Please raise your voice. Yes. And 35th is? Excellent. 6 times 5 equals 30. The remainder is 0. So it's only 6. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. My heroes, any questions? Any problems? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Muhammad Abdul Hafiz. Muhammad Abdul Hafiz. Rakan. Rakan.
Yes.
Go ahead.
10 times 1 over 3.
Mm-hmm.
And
10 times 1. And down the denominator, what should we do?
wait, write that one. I'm not sure. Showing you.
Okay, we don't change it. We keep it. Now, this is improper, so let's write it as a mixed number. 10 divided 3.
What?
10 divided by 3.
Oh.
3 times 3 equals,
9.
subtract, the remainder is 1. So let's write the mixed number. The whole number is 1/3. Excellent, thank you, my hero. So the answer is 3 and 1/3. Okay, my heroes. And this is the last question. Laith? Laith? Oh, I thought that this is like Ali, do not use your mic. Laith. قرار قرار مصباح.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Juliet is making 15 salad. She puts 5 cup of carrot in each salad. What is the total amount of carrots Juliet will use?
Yes, of course. What should we do? We need to repeat the 2/5. So we need to multiply. Go ahead. 15 times 2.
15 equals 30.
And 30. We did this before. We know it. 30/5 equals.
Equals 6.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Okay, everyone. Do you have any questions? Any problems?
No.
Okay. Thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session. See you next weekend. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. See ya. Thank you, my hero.